Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a little bit about the WillHammer and the Trek harnesses. As you can see, it's lightweight. It's a little bit easier to tell how it works because this one fits more like a body glove. So you just would take the shoulders, slide into them, adjust them, grab the belt pad, and it sticks with the Velcro. Then there's steel quick connect buckles you would attach, and then just take your legs. And this is already fit for me, but just by pulling these you can see that it adjusts. So if you want it bigger, you pull that and they'll come out, and I've just stuck it back into there to keep it nice and organized. And also you can see these buckles have a green lock, but as soon as it's locked, you can tell that they're in there now and it's secure. So once I put on those 4 buckles, I'm pretty much in my harness. Okay, in this harness you can basically see that this is a seatbelt webbing that's 6,000 pounds tensile strength. The webbing is made from a manufacturer and is sold on rolls. And here's a roll. This is 9,000 pound 3-inch webbing. As you can see in the harness that this is sewn into the back. Then the seatbelt webbing is going down and transferring to these. Now this particular hardware, you can see that everything's labeled. And it is heat forged and comes from the manufacturer. These have a rating of 3,000 pounds. All your connection points where it's stitched, you use a thread, and on the bottom of your thread it has a manufacturer's name and then it tells the size. And this is a 138 text. So a 138 text has a tensile strength of 18.5 to 24 pounds is what its tensile strength would be. And so then you would sew those in the amount of stitches needed. In all my harnesses, they are 3,000 to 5,000 pounds. So every connection point is going to be rated at 3,000 to 5,000 pounds. Every piece of hardware is going to be rated. These are at 3,000 pounds again. And what makes the WillHammer harness neat again too is in the back, instead of having one fall mount previously, if you want to use the rear, there's an adapter to make it to where it spreads it out still. And you can also use a spreader bar. There's several sizes of these too that you can connect there too to hold it out as well. So then the main weight is being transferred down to the belt. The belt's coming around there. It's giving you a back brace. It's giving you also upper support here. It's padding you around the sides there where it's comfortable. It's important to make sure in your harness that you keep this lower to where when you're suspended from the back that it's not pulling up under your arms. So then again you have another buckle here that's going around, and the one inner is being suspended by there, and you have another here, and this is again, these are 4,000 pounds each one of these, and we actually had them tested and they were 5,000 pounds before they broke. And you can see them going around the legs again, that everything's being transferred down to there, and then in the rear you can see all the webbing goes into a net and that you're sitting in a seat. And then in the legs there's actually foam too, and what the foam looks like is inside the harness the whole thing is made up of this foam. The shoulders, the chest, the belt, and the seat, and the leg pads. And so by doing that, it makes it like you're sitting in a body glove. Here's some of the hardware. It comes in boxes. The buckles that we're featuring right now are pythons, and you can see that they're loaded at 17.8 kN. It's about 4,000 pounds, and when we tested these, they took about 5,600 pounds before they broke. Here's some of the Cordura that it's made out of, and what's cool about this stuff is that it's very lightweight. And you can see that if you cut it, I'm going to take and cut a piece here. And you can tell that I've cut it and weakened it, but even then, it takes a lot of strength to actually pull those, because each one of the threads now is 20 pounds and they're stitched together. So even the shell of these is very durable. It's UV and it's water resistant. So I hope you've learned a little bit about harnesses today, and I hope you like them.